Hi everyone, welcome to this video where we'll explore the top 5 best budget rice cooker in 2025. Our list is carefully curated based on extensive research, customer feedback, and hands-on testing. We've evaluated these rice cooker for their quality, features, performance, and overall value to bring you the best options available this year. If you're looking for more details, including the latest prices and deals, check out the links provided in the description box below. So without further ado, here are the top 5 best budget rice cooker in 2025. The 5th product on our list is the Aroma Digital Rice Cooker. The Aroma Digital Rice Cooker, ARC 914 SBD, is a versatile 4-cup, uncooked, day 8-cup, cooked multi-cooker with a stainless steel exterior. It features programmable digital controls with an automatic keep warm mode and preset functions for white rice, brown rice, steam, and flash rice, which reduces cooking time by up to 50%. Its sensor logic technology ensures perfectly fluffy rice by regulating temperature throughout the cycle. The included steam tray allows simultaneous cooking of meat and vegetables while rice cooks below, ideal for soups, jambalaya, and chili. It also has a 15-hour delay timer for convenient meal planning. Accessories include a steam tray, rice measuring cup, serving spatula, and exclusive recipes with coupons for Mahatma and Carolina rice. Up next in 4th place is the Zojirushi NHS-10 rice cooker. The Zojirushi NHS-10 rice cooker steamer is a simple and efficient kitchen appliance designed for easy rice cooking and steaming. It features a one-touch switch control and a see-through glass lid with a stay-cool knob for convenience. The durable non-stick inner pan ensures easy cleaning, while the stay-cool handles allow safe transport. The NHS-10 6-cup and NHS-18 10-cup models include a stainless steel steaming basket and an automatic keep warm function for added versatility. This UL-listed rice cooker comes with an English instruction manual, making it user-friendly and reliable for everyday cooking. The 3rd product on our list is the BLACK+DECKER 6-cup rice cooker. The BLACK+DECKER 6-cup rice cooker simplifies meal prep with its fast 20-30 minute cooking time and automatic keep warm function to maintain fluffy rice until serving. With a 6-cup capacity, it's ideal for small or large meals, and its PFAS-free non-stick ceramic coating ensures easy cleanup. This rice cooker doubles as a steamer with an included food steaming basket for vegetables, fish, and more. The removable non-stick bowl and tempered glass lid are dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless. Additional features include indicator lights, a built-in lid holder, and a steam vent for safe cooking. Accessories like a measuring cup and plastic serving spoon help ensure precise portions without damaging the pot. Versatile beyond rice, it can also prepare soups, stews, and oatmeal. ETL listed, this 120V 300W cooker is a great addition to any kitchen. The 2nd product on our list is the Imusa rice cooker. The Imusa rice cooker is a versatile and stylish kitchen essential, capable of cooking up to 8 cups of uncooked rice, yielding 16 cups of perfectly cooked rice, ideal for meals or gatherings. Made from durable aluminum, it features a non-stick, removable cooking pot with a modern white exterior, ensuring easy cleaning. The automatic keep warm function maintains food at the perfect serving temperature after cooking. Beyond rice, this cooker is perfect for oatmeal, stews, jambalaya, and grains, offering a wide range of meal options. It comes with a serving spoon and a measuring cup for precise meal preparation. Compact and practical, it's perfect for small kitchens, college dorms, campers, and RVs. Packaged in a gift box, it also makes an excellent present for any occasion. Finally, our top product title name is the Dash Mini Rice Cooker. The Dash Mini Rice Cooker is a compact and efficient kitchen essential, perfect for single-serve meals. With a 2-cup cook capacity, it allows for quick and convenient meal prep. Just add rice and water, press the button, and enjoy perfectly cooked rice in under 20 minutes. Designed for more than just rice, it can also prepare oatmeal, quinoa, pasta, and more, making it a versatile tool for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The keep warm function ensures food stays at the perfect serving temperature without overcooking. Its non-stick removable pot allows for easy cleanup, while the compact and portable design makes it ideal for small kitchens, dorms, apartments, and RVs. The sleek size fits neatly on countertops or in cabinets, making storage effortless. With its simple one-touch operation and hassle-free cleanup, the Dash Mini Rice Cooker is a must-have for anyone looking for quick, easy, and perfectly portioned meals. That's it for our list of the top 5 best budget rice cooker in 2025 available right now. Check the description below for links with more details about each product. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to share your opinion in the comments section. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more reviews. We'll see you guys in the next video.